Hello my sweets and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video it will basically just be, it's basically just a random video because I thought to myself that I haven't been making any videos. I will explain why this happened. As you all know, I didn't post last week on Friday, and that is because I've got two more birds and both of them are tame. They come to the hand and they sit on the shoulder. They eat from your hand and all of that. They are still babies. The oldest one, that's I think he's 5 months actually. I think the store, they lied to me and said he's 3 months old, but he actually looks bigger. I mean, yeah, bigger compared to the 7 weeks old, and there should not be that much of a difference, I think. And he's not tame, right? But he does eat from my hand and stuff like that, but he doesn't come to the hand or my shoulders, or he doesn't, like, he bites really hard. So if you have followed me on Instagram, you actually see the bite. It's actually horrible. I've got like 3 painful bites from him. So yeah, that happened, and he talks a lot. But he screams because I've got seagulls right out in the window, so you can basically hear the seagull, and they make that scream like I don't know how to explain it, but my Chico here, he has learned how to copy them, so he screams all day, and I have migraine issues, right, so it doesn't really help, to be honest. So yeah, having 3 birds, it's been hectic. I've been feeling like actually like a mom. Trying to, hi Chico. I will let you out in a bit. So I tried to put them in one cage. I've got a massive cage, so that didn't end up well. Chico was biting them. He was getting angry because they wanted to go to Chico, both of them, but Chico didn't like that. So it was funny, but at the end I had to divide the cage. So yeah, I love them so much. I've cuddled them so much, and I've been kissing them. I've just been enjoying my time. So yeah, I thought I would show you them, and then later on I will show you my room. I am actually really proud of the room I have because I made it all by myself. Like, I didn't make the room, but I painted the walls white. I built my own desk. I fixed everything. So it's all me, and that's why I feel really proud. But yeah, anyways, I'm just gonna bring my birds so you can see them. The tame ones, obviously. So they will only be here for a few minutes because they're going to fly straight to the cage again, since they're eating right now. They're hungry. So yeah, I'm going to bring them. Give me 1 second. So this is Mango. Hi. He loves to eat. Okay, that's why I'm trying to. Oh no, it's okay. It's okay. Hi, Baba. Hi! Yeah, so this happened. So they're actually seeing the cage, that's why they're behaving like this. Baba, it's okay. This is Shono. Hi Shono Baba. She loves to be cuddled a lot. So yeah, these two are siblings and they love to be together. But every time I leave them in my room, so they love to be in their cage. To show them, I have to basically get out of my room because this is not my room, this is their room. They love to fly around. So yeah, anyways, that's basically Mango and Shono. And you will see more of them. Anna? Hi Baba! Hello!
Mom, stop grabbing me like this.
Hi my love. Now all the birds are in their cage, and now it's just time for a room tour. occasion, so I came down to the kitchen because Chica was screaming so loud and I wasn't able to talk. So I brought my babies as well with me. Now they're more calm. This is what I'm talking about. Every time I'm in the room when Chica is around, they want to fly to the cage, and it's just crazy. So yeah, that's why I usually take them down and I do my stuff, you know, if I'm going to clean or whatever, if I eat food. So I always bring them to my shoulder, so they are used to being with me all the time. And these two, they're siblings, they're 7 weeks old, so they like to be together all the time, but I do bring one at a time sometimes as well, so I can bond with them in a different way. So yeah, hi Baba. They're looking like, what's going on? What's that? What is that? What is that, baby? So yeah, I hope you like my little room tour, and yeah, I feel like I've been talking a lot in the videos, and that's because I love talking to you all, and I just don't realize when I need to stop, you know, like I just keep on talking and talking and talking, and also I like to talk. So yeah, I guess I'm going to end this video right here, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed, everyone. Bye bye. Hi Shawnee, it was you, my baby. Hello my darling Baba. You're so cute. Yes you are. You're so I wanna eat you. No, that would be so bad if I did. Yes, that would be so bad.